Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this week's Monday Mixer. I'm Jason.
I'm Julie.
And we are Destination Full-Time. So welcome back. Today we have a topic that we have lived this week.
Yes.
Since for the last, what was it? I think it's been 6, maybe 7 days.
Straight.
We have been encountering what every RVer dreads, and that's rainy days. Today, you can see behind us, is the first day in 7 days that we've seen sunlight.
Yay!
Yeah. So we're not going to be sitting here for long talking to you guys. We're going to get outside and do something. But we did want to talk about rainy days. What do you do when there's a rainy day to stay entertained in your RV? We have some tips and tricks to make the most out of these gloomy weather days in your RV.
The first one is pretty obvious. Stay cozy inside. Grab your favorite blanket, pillow, snuggle bunny.
The dog, not me.
And watch something on TV. Just snuggle in and enjoy the day, enjoy the rain, and just be inside.
Basically veg.
Yeah.
Right? But for us, because we do work from our RV, we did get a lot of work done this week.
Yeah.
Yep, got a lot of work done. Couldn't go film much because it was raining all the time,
no.
But did work every day and was able to catch up on some little side projects that we could do on the inside. And of course, did binge watch some Netflix, I think, this week as well. So tip number 1, just veg out, enjoy chilling and doing nothing.
Enjoy doing nothing. That's it right there.
I'll take tip number 2. We have lots of friends that do this one well, rain or shine.
Right.
And that's play games. We carry a number of games with us, card games, board games, Mexican Train. We don't carry that yet, but we will. But we have friends that play that a lot. But, you know, just get around the table and start playing some games. You know, that's a big thing, especially if you have kids and stuff. This becomes more difficult on rainy days when you have kids and trying to keep them entertained, I think.
Right.
For us, it's just pretty easy to keep each other entertained, I think. But play some games. That's probably one of the best ways to pass some time. Tip number 3 could be controversial, because if you're on a diet, you don't want to do this one. But we often cook on the outside of our RV. We have the Blackstone griddle, we have a pellet smoker. We like to cook most of the time when the weather's okay on the outside of the RV. Take this opportunity to cook something on the inside of the RV. Maybe use your oven for the change. Maybe make some cookies. Maybe bake a lasagna. Something.
Make a hearty soup, comfort soup.
Make something comfort food wise. Maybe a cheesy tater tot casserole.
Ooh.
Well, I haven't had one of those in a long time.
That sounds good.
That sounds really good. But, you know, if you're on a diet, obviously you can't do that. But make the best of being stuck inside. Cook something maybe that you wouldn't do on a normal basis because you're trying to make quick meals. Usually, I think all of us try to make quick meals instead of, you know, meals that take a long time.
Or you could just get the crock pot out and make something all day. And then it smells the RV up and it's yummy. And there you go.
Yeah, crock pots make me hungry all day. That's for sure.
But they smell so good.
They do. They do. Tip number 4.
Explore everything that could be indoors nearby.
Yeah, we've found in some places that we've been, we actually found indoor putt-putt golf.
Yep.
What do you call it?
Indoor putt-putt golf.
Okay, I don't know. Indoor putt-putt golf course. I don't know why I couldn't think of course. We're going to leave that in because we're dumb today, apparently. But yeah, we found
museums. Museums are good. What else?
We enjoy, and we have done this a few times too, if you find the local nature museums.
Oh, yeah.
You know, where it kind of gives you some background about the area that you're in. We found a lot of those over, you know, our travels.
Yeah, those are good.
Indoor markets.
Yeah.
You know?
Or a store that, you know, you might not have been able to get your husband to, but it's raining and he's bored. And then you can take him to all the stores that you want to check out.
Yeah, and then we'll go to Home Depot or Lowe's. All right, last but not least, let's just not forget that we are in an RV.
Yep.
And there's one thing that is so cool to me in living in an RV. Tip number 5. When the rain hits that roof of the RV, it puts me right to sleep.
Yep.
Take a nap.
Yep. Literally just turn everything off and listen to the sound of the rain. It will put you right to sleep.
Yep. Take a nap. So, 5 little tips, guys. Again, pretty obvious maybe, but these are some of the things that we do to stay entertained on rainy days, and we've hit all of them, I think, this last week. Yes. With 7 days of rain. What do you guys do when you're stuck? Especially those that are not full-time. What do you do when you're just doing a weekend trip or maybe a week long trip for a vacation? What are some of the things you hunt out to try to do on a rainy day? Let us know in the comments.
Well, and what are we up to this next week?
We are still in Hayward, Wisconsin.
Yep.
We have done some things.
We've had some fun visiting family.
We did visit some family. We did get out a couple times this week and braved the rain,
yep.
Dodged the rain, but we went to Muskie Fest.
Yep.
We'll show you more about that later.
That is a Wisconsin street fest.
It is. We are in the North Woods of Wisconsin.
Yep.
It's beautiful here. I really like it up here. We are kind of camping out on a peninsula, surrounded by water, so it's really cool. I'll see if I can get an overhead shot of where we're at so you can kind of see. But it's beautiful here. We're staying again at Lake Chippewa Campground. I'll put a link up here to that video. We did it last year. We stayed here. We really like it here.
Yeah. We actually got the same spot, which is awesome because of Starlink. We needed the same spot.
Yep.
So that worked out.
Yep. So I don't have anything else that I know of that we're doing this week. I think we're good.
No, we might check out the local area and see what else there is to do before we head out on Saturday.
Yep. Where are we going Saturday?
Iowa.
Oh, well, maybe next week's Monday Mixer might be from Iowa.
Yeah, maybe so.
Probably will be. Lots of corn being planted. I noticed a lot of little cornfields coming in as we were traveling up here.
From Illinois.
Mm-hmm. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, guys, we hope that you find your next
destination.
Thanks so much for watching, and have a great week.
And living in the RV is sublime. Destination full time.